Yun po ba yun?
Kasi anyway naman po, ano po, number one, hindi naman po illegal.
Yeah, no, sir, don't be... Sa akin lang, sir, no, with all due respect again,
Opo,
sir,
opo.
you don't have to be over-defensive. I'm not saying that there's something illegal or may kamalian. I'm just trying to ask.
Correct.
Na sa inyo po, ako kasi pag bumoboto ko, pinag-iisipan ko eh. O yung simpleng sidecar driver doon sa amin sa Tondo, pag bumoboto, tinitignan niya yung pagkatao ng tao. O bakit ko po binoboto? Eh ganun din po siguro sa isang kumpanya. O pag binoboto ko to, hindi naman siguro dahil puro Pilipino na, ibigay naman natin sa Chinese yung chairman. Eh gusto ko lang pong makita without over-defending, sir, na wala namang illegal. No one here. Ako na po una, hindi ko naman sinasabi na illegal. Tinatanong ko lang po, with all due respect, Attorney Sagayo, bakit po ninyo binoboto ang isang Chinese national to be chairman in your own decision nyo po? Bakit po kaya siya ang pinili ninyo? Ano po ba?
Sa akin, frankly po talaga, Mr. Chairman, yan lang po eh. I mean, at saka minority shareholder po sila, partner po sila. So, since nagpre-preside lang naman ng meeting, during board meetings, kahit paano naman as minority shareholder, baka okay lang na. I mean, may right din naman sila to become also an officer.
No, sure. Yeah. So, just take your answer for what it is, sir. Ako lang kasi, iniisip ko, baka may rason talaga na deeper than that. No? So, yun lang. Gusto nyo lang pagbigyan yung mga Chinese na ibigay na natin yung pagiging chairman doon sa Chinese dahil yung iba Pilipino naman. Yun po ang rason ninyo. Tama po ba, sir? Is that right, sir?
Kasi may right din po sila as minority shareholder nga po. So, at saka yung function lang po nila is really just to preside. So, we do not see anything wrong na ibigay din naman sa kanila, considering that all positions in NGC po are occupied by Filipino citizens.
Yeah, sir, wala naman sabing illegal or wrong. But I will just take your answer for what it is with all due respect. Sino-sino po ang mga Chinese nationals na nasa management ng NGCP, sir?
Wala po, Mr. Chairman. Wala po.
Wala po kahit isa?
Wala po, Mr. Chairman.
So kung wala po, sino po ba itong nakita ko po dito sa General Information Sheet? Pasensya na po ulit, medyo mahirap banggitin. Si Lee Sin Chua. Ang pangalan po niya ay Liu Sin Hua.
Luis Sinhua, Mr. Chairman.
Sino
Director.
po siya? Director po. Ano po ang function siya sa NGCP?
Director po, Mr. Chairman, ng NGCP.
Yun lang po.
Opo. And Chairman of the Board Audit Committee.
Chairman of the Board of Audit Committee.
Opo.
Paano po siya naging chairman of the board ng audit committee? Binoto rin po siya?
Yeah, he was selected also.
Sino po namili?
Ng Board Audit Committee din po. At saka board ng NGCP.
So, hindi lang po yung chairman ang Chinese na nakaupo?
Hindi lang, plus the Board Audit Committee.
Pangalawa po to na Chinese.
Opo.
Sino naman po si Liu Zhang Xiao? Pasensya na po, parang puro Chinese. Yung dila ko, hindi pang Chinese talaga. Mr. Chair, Liu Zhang Xiao.
I do not know
Hindi niyo po siya kilala?
No.
Hindi po. Sino po si Wenbo?
Wenbo, I think you're referring to old directors who left already the company.
Yeah, just tell me, sir. So, Wenbo
used to be a director of NGCP po.
Kailan po siya umalis?
2015.
Used to be?
A director po.
Ano pong function niya other than being a director?
There was a time po that he was the chief Technical Officer of NGCP.
Sir, yung mga Chinese na kasama namin ay na sa NGCP ngayon, I'm assuming that they applied and were granted an alien employment permit by the Department of Labor and Employment. Tama po ba?
Lahat po ng Chinese na nasa amin po ngayon have all the appropriate visas issued
And they
by the
were
Philippine
given that
government.
position dahil wala pong Pilipino na makagagawa ng kanilang tungkulin.
You're referring to CTO ngayon as we speak
Yung
now po?
mga Chinese po na nasa inyo po ngayon.
Yung mga Chinese po ngayon na nasa amin po, walang nag-o-occupy ng executive positions or managerial positions. They are just members of the board.
So wala na po tayo sa technical management or anything.
Wala po.
Yes, the reason why I asked the question, Your Honor, dahil under Section 40 of our Labor Code, the employment permit that is issued for non-residents and aliens to be applicant employer at the determination of non-availability of a person in the Philippines who is competent, able, and willing at the time of application to perform the services which an alien is desired. Yung meaning ko po, yung mga dapat ma-pass on na technical aspects ng Chinese sa atin, dapat maipasa na sa mga Pilipino. Tama po ba?
Opo, opo.
So it is your stand, sir, na wala naman talagang authority, control, or anything of vital position ang mga Chinese national sa NGCP.
Wala po, wala po.
Just a short manifestation, Mr. Chair, ang pamamahala po ng power grids ng ng ating bansa ay partially nationalized industry. In other words, Pilipino ang kailangan may control dito. Kung gano'n naman po pala, bakit pa may mga Chinese dito sa NGCP? Otherwise, nakakabahala po ito sa ating national security. Sa akin lamang pong pananaw, kung papayagan po ng ating batas, ang 40% nito ay pwede ring foreigners and case and Chinese nationals. Dapat nating siguraduhin ng pagpapatakbo nito ay eksklusibong nasa mga Pilipino. Like what you said, sir, there is no one-hit switch button na pwedeng patayin. Yun ang naririnig ko since last hearing eh. Tama po ba from NGCP?
Wala po yan. Wala po. Fake news po yan.
Fake news. But how are you certain, sir? Attorney Matibag already said earlier na may information sila that they do believe that it is possible to influence the system remotely. Ako lang po, as a Pilipino, nakakapagpaalala. I hope you understand my asking the questions dahil sa narinig ko kay Attorney Matibag. Sa akin lang, Attorney Sagayo, siguro hindi naman po masama na pakinggan ninyo at i-validate ninyo yung sinasabi ng kapwa Pilipino instead of simply refuting everything right off the bat. No, I think as Filipinos, we should all work together. Like I always said, sinabi ko sa nakarang hearing, Mr. Chair, wala pong magmamalasakit sa ating mga Pilipino, kundi tayo rin kapwa Pilipino. So I appeal NGCP. You know, naghihiring tayo dito, naglalabas tayo ng mga information. There are valid queries by the members. But sometimes ang naririnig namin sa inyo is over-defensive, na para bang tila bagang mali ang tanong ninyo. Ito ang dapat. Wala pong illegal. Lahat tama. Hindi porke walang illegal, ayos na sa national security natin. There are times and instances that the laws can be circumvented. We should not allow it as Filipinos. And our primordial concern is the sovereignty of our country. As Filipinos, we should be patriots. Sir, you said earlier na patriots kayo. O hindi kung may narinig kayong Pilipino na nagsasalita, with all due respect, sir, na may concern, let's validate it. Let's be sure. Kung may mamanipula sa grid natin, sasabihin ba naman sa inyo na hindi namin kaya o kaya namin? Natural, itatago ng ibang bansa. Because kung sabotage ang intention nila, they would not let us know, Filipinos. Itatago sa atin at gulpi-digulat ang aabutin nating mga Pilipino. O kaya I appeal to everyone, let's all work together. Attorney Matibag, nagsasalita sila. Upuan natin, pakinggan nyo sila. O wag yung parang nasa kaliwa, nasa kanan, nagsasabong tayo, pula sa puti. As Filipinos, iisa lang po ang kulay natin. Iisang bangkalan tayo sa Pilipinas. Pag lumubog ang bansa natin, sama-sama tayo. Oh, let's all work together and let's listen sa kapwa Pilipino natin. Again, Mr. Chair, thank you for the time. And if I may just emphasize, lagi ko pong